Guess it's best to get this out in the open.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I am at Target right now. I'm gonna go in. I have to get some stuff for the house. I'm doing a little bit of Christmas shopping as well, like Christmas tree stuff, decor stuff for the tree, and I just want to get some stuff. I'm thinking about doing a challenge for the kids, you know, just to get them something to do. I want to do like a gingerbread, you know, challenge, see who wins and everything. So I'm thinking about doing that for the kids, and I just want to see who wins. Whoever wins, they get $100 for the kids. So I'm thinking about doing that, and probably, you know, make some other stuff. I'm trying to see if I should put this thing on here. Let me tell you guys, I had went to the other Target, like around somewhere, and they didn't have anything. Everybody stacked up on, you know, pajamas. Everybody stacked up on everything. So I'm trying to go to another Target to see if they have some pajamas, like Christmas pajamas and everything. So we're gonna go. Let's just go, because you know, the kids are.
Guys, this is the whole video we said yesterday.
And then I want to get like what is it called? Gingerbread houses for the kids, so they can have something to do. I really want to do like a challenge or something. That probably will be another video, but I'm gonna go in here to get some stuff. Girl, you know, they stacked up on, you know, Christmas pajamas. Nobody had Christmas pajamas nowhere. When I tell you, girl, they didn't have nothing nowhere. So hopefully we can find us some Christmas pajamas somewhere.
In the eye.
Wow, Mama! Look at that.
I have pajamas.
Do you?
Look, Mama! Christmas lights on the floor. Look, Mommy, you see Christmas?
It's yellow and red.
And you see that on the floor? You guys, it's so...
I kind of just want to do different stuff for the kids, like different meals just to try out. I'm trying to see like stuff that's healthy.
Mama,
No salt. I don't think we're gonna find any, so we probably just have to get some plain pajamas. Okay.
Space Jam. Ian wants Space Jam. I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want...
This one turned on.
Whoa! Can I have this for Christmas? I like to get this for Christmas.
What is that?
Oh, baby, yeah, baby.
Let me see.
Baby.
Okay.
Mama!
Wow. Look.
I don't know how we got in this lane.
You can win the champion stuff.
Mental happiness, and everything is going to start changing. And the reason I talk about materialistic things, it is the band-aid and the makeup of unhappiness for 95%.
Only see what you want to see, and all I see
close. Feel my face in an action. These days, no Kumaye. Niggas be past tense. Living in the middle. Just in my job, you might.
Only ever see the worst in me. Only ever see it how you want it. I can never say things honestly. So I don't even care to take it back. Only ever see it how you want it. I can never say things honestly. How can I love somebody else if I can't love myself enough to know when it's time to let go? Sing,
Calm down, guys.
No! Gino!
No hitting, no fighting. It's time to relax.
Mama,
You want candy? Well, you know what you gotta do in Walmart? We have to behave. This is my car.
It's a truck.
I like that's what you remember. That's what car we was in.
Mama, that one's a car. That's a
Shoot. I literally had to wipe my tears, like, and not let my children see that, like, I'm having a meltdown right now because I can't find any pajamas nowhere, and I'm just having a meltdown. It's like everything is going wrong, but I don't want to make this video about me having a meltdown because I want to have a good day and just cheer on with the kids. I'm literally trying to put things together and, you know, just do some stuff. If you feel like you have an anxiety, take a second to figure it out. But that don't work either. If you just take a second, breathe in, breathe out. Because I'm telling you guys, my anxiety has been going off the wall right now. Like, it's been nonstop. But I have to sit there and drive like a mile, pull all the windows down, and breathe fresh air. But everything will play out right. Just gotta trust in yourself.
It's really cute. I need my dress. And then it's cute. And now my son's
gonna go in Walmart.
Yes, there's sharks in here.
I'll see y'all when I get there.